Hi everyone, I'm Carter. Welcome to my kitchen. Today I'll be teaching you how to make buttercream candies. The recipe that I'm using makes about 100 candies, but you can always scale it up or scale it down for whatever event you need. What you'll need for this recipe is 2 pounds of powdered sugar, same thing as confectioner's sugar. You'll need half a teaspoon of salt, half a cup of softened butter, 1 can of sweet condensed milk, 2 teaspoons of vanilla extract, and 2 cups of chocolate chips. First, you'll start by combining every ingredient except for the chocolate chips. It's important to note that when you're pouring in the sugar to be very slow and careful with it while you're using your mixer. It's very easy to make a big mess by messing something up. All right, now that we have all of our ingredients mixed together, you're gonna wanna just put a little bit of either like shower cap, or you can put some tin foil over, whatever works for you. Then you're gonna wanna put this in the fridge for about an hour. Now that it's been chilled for an hour, our next step is to take some of this and make a little bit of little candies themselves. Small little balls, about 50 each for each baking sheet. You'll wanna put wax paper on there. I'm going to be helped by my mom to make this process go a little bit faster. All right, now that we have our chocolate melted, the next step is to gently take each one of them individually and dip them into the chocolate to give them a nice quick coating. And you're gonna do that with every single one of them. Now that we've finished dipping them in chocolate, we can either put them in the fridge for about an hour to let them sit, or you can eat them this way, or even without chocolate coating. Now I'm opening up for some questions.
So what qualifies you to be able to make candy?
I used to do 4-H club a little while ago, and we used to do a big candy making club, and I would do it a lot even at home because I personally really love making candy.
And when you said softened butter, could you use completely melted butter?
You do not want to use melted butter because it can completely change the texture of your buttercream. It actually does really matter on when you're mixing, because if it's too melty and too liquidy, it's not going to form properly and you're not going to have the right texture. All right, and thank you for watching my video. I hope you really enjoy making these buttercreams at home.